Stop studying English the hard way. Are you tired of boring rules and confusion? I collected 20 visual life hacks that will change your brain forever. Present, continuous, past, future in one video. Give me 12 minutes and you will never forget these tenses again. Let's go. Block 1. The routine. Do you eat? Do you sleep? Do you work? It happens every day, again and again and again. Welcome to the infinite loop of present simple. Hack number 1. The calendar rule. Do you feel like you are living the same day over and over? Coffee, work, sleep, repeat. This is a routine. Look at the calendar. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. If it repeats, keep it simple. No magic here, just subject plus verb. I work, you eat, we sleep. Easy. Stop. Don't say I working. You are not doing it right now. You do it generally. Cut the tail. Hack number 2, the VIPs rule. In English, there are 3 VIPs, he, she, and it. Treat them like royalty. You cannot come to a king with empty hands. Give them a gift, the letter S. I like pizza, but the queen? She likes pizza. Don't forget the gift. Even for machines, my computer, it works. Not work, it works. Hack number 3, the vacuum cleaner doesn't. Meet the villain, the vacuum cleaner. His name is does not. Look at this sentence. He plays. The S is safe, for now. But here comes doesn't. Swoosh. It sucks the S away. He doesn't play. The verb is clean. Remember, if you use doesn't, never use S. She doesn't know. Hack number 4, the rocket launch does. Questions need energy. You need a rocket to launch a question. Meet do and does. The rocket always flies to position number 1. Do you speak? Use the small rocket for friends. Do you know me? Do we have time? Use the big rocket for VIPs. Does he work? And guess what? The rocket stole the S again. Hack number 5. Action versus state. There are 2 kingdoms, kingdom of action do and kingdom of state be. Never mix them. Are you sweating? Are you moving? Then ask with do. Do you run? Do you swim? But for feelings, use are. Are you happy? Don't say do you happy. It sounds crazy. For jobs and names, use is. Is he a doctor? Just a fact. No movement. Block 2. The moment. Stop. Look around you. What is happening right now? The camera is rolling. The action is live. Let's dive into present continuous. Hack number 6. The camera rule. Welcome to the present continuous. How to spot it? Use the camera rule. Can you take a photo of the action right this second? If yes, add ing. Look at him. Click. He is working. We can see it happening. Look at the window. Click. It is raining. Not it rains. It is raining now. Hack number 7, the train formula. To be plus ing. An ing verb is like a heavy wagon. It cannot move alone. It needs an engine to be. You cannot say, it's running. The wagon is stuck. No power. Bring the engine. Connect is to running. Now we have power. Listen to the rhythm. It is running. Engine plus wagon. Perfect. Hack number 8, the twin rule. Double letter. Look at the word run. It is short. It has a weak vowel in the middle. It creates a problem. It cannot hold the heavy ending. Call a twin. copy the last letter. One N, two N's. Now it is strong enough. Running, sitting, double the protection. Hack number 9, the not wall, negatives. Want to stop the action? You need a heavy brick, the word not. Where do you put it? Find the gap between the helper and the action. Drop it right there. After am, before running, I am not running. It works every time. She is not sleeping. The action is blocked. Hack number 10, the heart verbs, state verbs. Some actions happen in your heart, not your legs. Love, know, understand. You cannot photograph knowing, so you cannot use ing. No liking, no loving. I am knowing sounds weird, like a robot malfunction. Don't do it. Just say, I know, I love. Keep these verbs simple. Block 3, the finished story. Close the book. It's over. It's done. You cannot change it. Let's travel back in time to past simple. Hack number 11, the timestamp ed. Welcome to the past. The time is finished. Close the book. Say goodbye to yesterday. How to turn a word into the past. You need the ed stamp. Grab it. Take the verb work. Smash the stamp at the end. Bam! Work. Worked. That's it. I worked yesterday. Simple, right? Hack number 12, the thief did. To ask questions, we need did. But be careful, did is a thief. Look at this sentence. You played. It has a nice, rich ending. When did arrives, it steals the ed. Look, it put the ending in the bag. Now the verb is naked again. Did you play? No ed. The thief took it. Hack number 13, the rebels, irregular verbs. Some verbs are rebels. They don't follow rules. They don't want your ed stamp. Try to stamp go. It won't work. They fight back. They change their costume completely. Go becomes went. See becomes saw. There is no logic. Just memorize the gang. Go, went. Buy, bought. Do, did. Hack number 14, the time machine, ago. Want to travel back in time? You need the magic word, ago. Ago always points backwards, from now to the past. Rule number 1, ago is a tail. It goes at the very end. 2 years ago. Use it for stories. Dinosaurs lived long ago. Perfect. Hack number 15, the kings was were. Long ago, the verb to be split into 2 kings, was and were. King was is lonely. I, he, she. King were loves company. You, we, they. They are strong. They don't need did. Don't say did you be. The king will be angry. Just move the king to the front. Were you home? Was she happy? Block 4, the future. What comes next? A dream? A promise? A sudden decision? Open the door to the unknown. This is future simple. Hack number 16, the robot. Welcome to the future. Meet Will. He is a robot. He hates changes. He deletes everything. No, she likes. Say she will like. No S. No ing either. They will come. Short and simple. Just will plus verb. It will work. Guaranteed. Hack number 17, the crystal ball. When do we use will? When we guess. When we look into the crystal ball. I think it will rain. I am not sure, but I predict it. Use it for dreams. One day, I will be rich. One day, cars will fly. It's a prediction. Hack number 18. The doorbell. Instant decision. Scenario. The doorbell rings. You didn't plan this. You decide now. React instantly. I will open it. Don't use present continuous here. The phone rings. Boom. I will answer. You feel cold. Decision made. I will close the window. Hack number 19. The promise. Pinky swear. Will is a strong word. Use it for promises. Pinky swear. Your friend is sad. Tell them, I will help you. It's a promise. After a date, I will call you. Make sure you do it. The ultimate promise, I will love you forever. Hack number 20, the tomorrow arrow. Last hack, what are the markers? Look for the arrow pointing forward. The most common phrase in English, see you tomorrow. Short and sweet. Soon. I will be back soon. Any plan starting with next, next week, next year, next life. Boom! You just mastered 20 grammar hacks. You are not a beginner anymore. You are a grammar ninja. Which hack was your favorite? The robot? The thief? The vacuum cleaner? Tell me in the comments. Don't miss the next lesson. Smash that subscribe button right now. See you soon.